Hello everybody, today we are going to talk about conditional operator. Imagine a situation like that. We have two variables, int a, and I will assign to that variable value 10, int b 20, and now imagine that I want to have string, which I will call message, and that message will have value that will depend on values of that variables. For example, I want to say here, hey, a is greater than b. So I have to change that variable now to 30, right? And that thing is true. Now I can, for example, send it to the output, right? And everything is right now fine. But of course that variables can come here not from us, but they can come here, for example, from our user of our program, right? And then, for example, that might change to 10, and now that thing is not true. So we could try something like that. If a is greater than b, then assign to message a is greater than b. Otherwise, do something like that. But we could also try to use, because it's a good idea here, something what is called conditional operator. It looks like that. Let's do it in the comment. First we are making condition, and then after question mark we are going to write something what will happen, what will be assigned to that guy, for example here, if that condition is true. So instruction that will be executed if condition is true, and after the colon if condition is not true, right? So when I do something like that, for example, if a is greater than b, then please assign to message the thing that is here. So a is greater than b, else a is greater or lower or equals b, right? Now, as you can see, now when we build it, a is lower or it is equal to b. When I do something like that, as you can see, now everything is working fine, right? And that variables, of course, can come from our users. That's one of the use for that variables, but for that operator, conditional operator. But we can do also something like that. For example, when 7 is greater than 4, then please I want to have here 7. If not, then please I want to have here 4. And I want to add to that thing here, for example, 10, right? Plus 10. And now 7 is of course greater than 4, then I will have here 7 from that thing, and 7 plus 10 is 17. But of course it is more useful when we do something like that. So for example, I want to create a program that will add to the higher number 10. So I'm here checking which one is higher, which one is bigger, right? And the one that is bigger will be used in that operation. So now it's 60, right? 50 plus 10. When I do something like that, so it will be 20 is now greater than this number. So I build it. As you can see, 20 plus 10 is 30. That's two good examples where we can use the conditional operator. Okay, that's all in that lesson. Thank you very much.